This is possible today. She has had her noble intentions and have given many young minds like you a chance to pursue the further education that they all truly deserve. She is truly the heart and soul of this organization and has strived to make everything Bazm does an immense success. Thank you, Nani. We love you. I would next like to extend my gratitude and thank Mrs. Hina, my darling mama, for her unwavering support and her words of encouragement. My dearest mother is the perfect example that a woman can do it all. She is not only a wonderful mother, an excellent mother, but she runs and takes care of many businesses here, abroad, and after that she's still working in the healthcare facility to make our community's healthcare better for the betterment of the people. So this mama is a one-man show. So if mama can do it, all of us can do it. I would next like to thank Mr. Amin Mudassir sir. Sir, you are truly a pillar of strength for Bazm, and we are extremely thankful for all your proactive efforts. Yes. And my gratitude and appreciation is always there for all your crucial efforts, and you have helped us all the way through our journey. Thank you very, very much. We are very thankful to you at all your efforts. I would also like to express my gratitude to Firoz uncle for being here and also being our constant support. I would next like to thank all the members and all the staff of Bazm. It's your tireless efforts and hard work that has made today a success, and we are truly blessed to have such extraordinary, devoted and dedicated staff at Bazm. Lastly, but definitely not the least, I would like to thank all the parents and children for coming here today. And parents, it's only with your help and duas that your children can achieve a success. So please always support them, love them. And to children, I would like to congratulate you on your scholarship. And I would like to tell you that education is the key to success. So please continue to pursue your further education. And I hope and pray that you achieve all your goals and are successful in all the aspects of your life. May Allah grant you all the success. All the very best. Thank you.